Have you ever felt like one part of you is living life and the another part is simply watching? The Upanishad spoke about this thousands of years ago in the Mundaka Upanishad. There is a beautiful metaphor. Two birds sitting on the same tree. The first bird hops from branch to branch, eating the fruits of the tree. Some fruits are sweet, some are bitter. The bird experiences everything: joy, sorrow, success, failure. But right behind it sits another bird, silent, still, watching. The bird eating the fruit represents the individual self, and the one living the story, the one striving, reacting, experiencing. The silent bird represents something deeper, the witness, pure awareness, untouched by what happens. According to Vedanta, both birds are you. One part of you is engaged in life, thinking, feeling, reacting. Another part of you is simply aware of it all, calm, unchanging, always present. The Upanishads say, the moment the first bird notices the second, something shifts. It begins to realize I am not just the experiencer, I am also the witness. In modern life, we live mostly as the first bird, caught in the thoughts, caught in emotions. But meditation, self-inquiry, stillness help us rediscover the second bird. The Upanishads don't ask us to escape life. They invite us to recognize the silent awareness within it. Two birds, one tree, one truth, you are both. Explore the timeless teachings through Vedanta and Yoga. Discover the witness within. Thank you.